Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, March the 25th, 2023. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic. We have 2 binaries, 10 by 10. The killer Sudoku we have here. Oh, apologies. The killer Sudoku. And we have here 3 stars Sudoku. Here one and there one. But this one has 27 printed digits, so I don't think this one has a 3 stars. So should be a 1 star for 27. And this one, 3 stars, has 26 printed digits. Can it be a 3 stars? Let me give this 2 stars. Yeah. Alright. In this newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. I've shown you earlier with the medium Sudoku. So what I will do tomorrow on Sunday, then we have no puzzles. I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the Friday edition. And the puzzles left in this newspaper, in this puzzle page, we have 2 puzzles left. I will do those 2. Then we have all the puzzles solved. And tomorrow I will do also the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, let me start with this one. The 2 stars Sudoku with 26 printed digits. Alright, 26 printed digits. This one will be a 6170. Yeah. 6170. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, it will be a 2 stars Sudoku. If you compare with in the Sudokus in the additional. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Already 2 minutes passed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, okay. Well, we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 in the last row, the 1 and the 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in the last column, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So in the column with 3 in the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 2, okay. Alright. 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have 3 and a 5 in this column, third column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, let me mark those. 8 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Insufficient information. 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 in this big square, should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, okay. Let me think. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 3, 3. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Alright. I hate to mark those.
Why?
1. 2. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Okay. 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7 then. We have a pair. 7 and a 6 in this row. 7 and a 6 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, okay. 2, 3, 7. Come on. This is taking too long. We have the 5, 7. Need a 7 there. 2, need a 1 there. We have a 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And we have a pair again, the 1 and 8 in this column, the 1 and 8 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and a 9 are missing. Well, 4, 9. The other 2 numbers should be 6 and the 7. No 6 here. 6, 7. No 7 there. 7. Yeah. Need to wait. 8. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Two numbers left in this middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 749. 749. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the middle column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot it down. 749. 749. Well. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the first row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 8, 9, and 3. Need a 3 here. 3 there. Need an 8 there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Here we have an 8. Here we have an 8. That means in this middle, the second row, we need also an 8 here. Here can be an 8 because we have an 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this second row should be there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 and 3. 9 and 3. 9 and 3. 749. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. 6, the 7, the 9. How about the 4? 4 could be here. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4, 9 and a 7. But the 5 then. 5. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see here 5 in the first row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 8, and 4 is missing. 4. We have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. That means in the middle column, we need a 4 in the middle column. Well, here can be 4 because we have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. Here can be 4 because we have a 4 in the second row. So no 4 there. So the 4 in the middle columns could be here, here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Need a 7 also. Need a 7. 7. Need a 9 here also. 9. 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. Need a 3. Yeah. I think this box is a hidden number. Can it be a 1? Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be a 4? Because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Can it be 5? Can it be 6? Can it be 7? Can it be an 8? Yeah, it's a 9. Hidden number 9. Okay. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are not used. We need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Here also 9. Alright. 4, 7, and 3 are missing. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. Now we have 3 here in this column, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 9, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 and 8 in the third row. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left. Oh, we already have an 8 here. Almost made the mistake. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 7 goes there. Finishes in 17 minutes. Wow. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes, so it's definitely a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars, 17 minutes. So yeah, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.